If you love doing your nails, but lately that love has come with frustration, confusion, or maybe even fear, this series is for you. Navigating the DIY gel nail world can be confusing, overwhelming, and even come with some really severe consequences. Maybe you're dealing with allergies or reactions you've never had before. Maybe your gel never really lasts the way it should. Maybe your workspace feels chaotic and stressful instead of creative. Or maybe you know you can do better, cleaner, smoother work, but you're just not sure what you're missing. This series exists to change all of that and give you a path forward. Hi, I'm Liz, the founder of ATTAIN Cosmetics. But before that, and always first, I'm an educator and an advocate. I've spent years working with gel nail systems, teaching nail professionals and DIYers alike how gel actually works, not just how to apply it. I built my reputation teaching fundamentals, the kind that don't change with every single fleeting trend, and helping people understand why things go wrong, not just how to fix them once. I want to take a moment to explain why Attain exists, because it's important context for everything you're about to learn in this series. Attain wasn't created because the world needed another gel brand. It was created because I kept seeing the same problems over and over again, especially with at-home gel users. People were following instructions, they were buying what was marketed as the best, they were doing everything they thought they were supposed to do, and yet they were dealing with lifting, brittle nails, damaged nail plates, burning during curing, skin irritation, and in many cases, full-blown allergic reactions that forced them to stop and step away from nails entirely. What bothered me most was that these issues weren't coming from people being careless or irresponsible. They were coming from a lack of education paired with products designed for speed, instant gratification, and trend turnover, not long-term nail health. We named the brand Attain very intentionally. Attain isn't about collecting products. It's about attaining understanding, attaining skill, and attaining confidence. The idea is that when you truly understand how gel works, how curing works, how prep works, and how your nails and skin respond, you're no longer dependent on hype, trends, or fear-based marketing. You can make informed decisions for yourself. A lot of modern gel systems are designed to give fast, dramatic results with minimal learning curve. And while that may feel exciting in the beginning, those shortcuts often come with trade-offs that aren't explained upfront. As a passionate educator, I developed Attain products to support this learning-first approach. That's why this series exists, not to rush you through techniques or make it oversimplified, but to build a foundation that truly lasts. I want to share a story that perfectly captures why education and community matter so much in this space. Caroline came into our world after experiencing severe skin sensitivities related to nail products. Nails, which had once been her creative outlet and form of self-care, became something that caused fear, stress, and disappointment. And like many people in that position, she did the right thing. She stopped, she listened to her body, she stepped back and focused on healing, not just physically, but mentally too. What stands out to me about Caroline's story isn't just that she eventually returned to nails, it's how she returned. She didn't come back chasing the next product or looking for a miracle solution. She came back through education, through community support, and through learning to approach nails differently. She found people who encouraged her to slow down when needed, who prioritized health over aesthetics, who shared knowledge instead of fear, and through that process, she rebuilt her relationship with nails in a way that felt supportive, creative, and empowering. One of the things that Caroline said that really stuck with me is that it's never just nails. Nails are confidence, they're creativity, they're self-expression, and for many people, they're one of the few moments of self-care we give ourselves. Caroline's story truly reflects the heart of Attain. Not perfection, not pressure, but patience, learning, and respect for yourself and your body. And stories like Caroline's are exactly why this series is structured the way that it is. Not skipping foundation for the sake of aesthetics, and actually giving you the education you need to build a fundamental understanding of how to be successful with gel nail care. My goal is simple. I want nails to be fun again. I want you to feel confident, creative, and informed. And I want you to enjoy this craft without fear or frustration. Welcome to Attain. Let's rebuild the relationship you have with your nails.